Myself S.C. Pandey from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have delivered different lectures in the human physiology, as in the chapter 26, last 12th RBSc, today I will tell you about the topic human excretory system. Human excretory system mainly has four parts. These parts are given below. These have a pair of kidney, which is one pair, and presence of as ureter, it is also one pair, presence of urinary bladder and presence of the urethra. Here urinary bladder and urethra generally single, but kidney and ureter are found in the pair. Pair means these are two in number. As in the human excretory system, generally the kidney which is present below the diaphragm and kidney present as between the last thoracic vertebrae to the third lumbar vertebrae, as it is supported by two vertebrae. Here kidney in human is red in color. Kidney as outer side is convex type shape and inner side it has concave shape. Outer convex and inner side concave shape. So this concave shape, from where generally the ureter and the renal vein comes out and renal artery enters, has a groove which is called a hilum. Kidney which is surrounded by the peritoneum, but here kidney surrounded by the peritoneum only the outside, hence it is called as the only a semi-peritoneal condition. Kidney has a renal gland at the top position. Generally the right kidney is below than the left kidney due to the liver at right side. Kidney surrounded by the one adipose capsule. So capsule membrane inner part which contain a type of the fibrous varicosa membrane. Kidney has two parts. Outer part is called as cortex and inner part is called medulla. In the cortex part, many unit structure nephrons are found. There are about more than 10 lox nephron present in each kidney. Nephron, Bowman capsule, PCT and TCT parts are found in the cortex and Henle loop present in the medulla part of the kidney. As the structure of human excretory system as given here. This is the structure of human excretory system. Human excretory system has one pair of kidney which is reddish in color. One pair of kidney in which the right kidney is somewhat below than the left kidney. From the kidney, one tubular structure arises below part. This is called as ureter. Ureter opens in the urinary bladder as given here. This is the ureter, which is also one pair. Like kidney is one pair. Ureter open in the urinary bladder, which is bladder-like structure. In the human male, it has urethra, which is long tubular structure and opened by the urethral cord, which surrounds by the sphincter muscle. Kidney has two parts. As outer part is called as cortex, inner part is called as medulla. Outer part is cortex, inner part is medulla. At the top position of kidney, there is presence of adrenal gland on both kidney, which also has two parts as cortex and medulla. As the here aorta, which generally enters in each kidney by the renal artery. Aorta, which enters in each kidney by the renal artery. Where blood reaches to the kidney by the renal artery from the aorta. Which supply blood to the kidney and by the superior vena cava. Here the renal vein enters in the kidney and this renal vein reaches downward direction which takes the deoxygenated blood from the kidney part. The kidney surrounded by the adipose capsule all around. Adipose capsule present in the form of membrane all around. So this is the human respiratory system. In the human respiratory system, presence of adrenal gland at the top position of each kidney. Kidney surrounded by the membrane called capsule, and outer part of kidney is called as cortex. Inner part of kidney is called medulla. As the aorta, which carry the oxygenated blood, which provides by the renal artery to the kidney, and superior vena cava, which takes the deoxygenated blood from the kidney by the help of renal vein. As this is renal vein. From kidney, a broad structure which opens in the ureter. This broad structure is called as pelvis, which open in the ureter. This is ureter, which is one pair. Ureter is one pair, which opens in the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is single. From urinary bladders, the urethral tubule arises, which opens by the urethral pore. As in case of female, urethral tubule is generally 4 cm, but in case of male, urethral pore is about 20 cm length. Urethral tubule is about 20 cm length, which opens by the urethral pores as urine passes out. So the urine passes out by the urethral pores, which is surrounded by the sphincter muscle, which generally close the urethral pore and opens due to the neuroendocrine control. This urinary bladder, which generally has the inner mucus epithelium, and outside to this pertains of the striated muscle, which is surrounded by the one layer. So urinary bladder has 3 layers. Generally, in the urinary bladders, urine collected here about the 700 to 800 ml urine collected in the urinary bladder, and later on this urine passes out through the urethral tube to the urethral pore when the sphincter muscles relax condition. So this total diagram is given as human excretory system, in which the main excretory product is urea, which reaches out with the urine. This urine passes from the urethral pores. This phenomena is called as micturition. This is called as micturition phenomena. Here I will discuss about the as one part of human excretory system, which is called as kidney. As the kidney, which has position of kidney as below diaphragm. Kidney present below diaphragm and between the thoracic ribs and third lumbar vertebrae. Third lumbar vertebrae. This is the position of human kidney. What is the weight of one kidney? So weight of one kidney is about 120 to 170 gram as weight, and the shape of kidney as shape. The kidney has mainly bean seed shape. bean seed shape is found in the human kidney. Then the structure of kidney, as structure of kidney has noticed. So this kidney has following structure. As kidney has a broader part which opens into the ureter. As broader part is called pelvis, which generally has many branched structure like this. This is the many branched structure like this. This branch structure has the pyramid shaped structure which generally reaches up to the cortex part, because each kidney which has two parts, as the outer part which is called as cortex part and inner part is called as medulla part. So the medulla part, where the presence of branch structure of the pelvis, this is pelvis which opens in the ureter as downward direction, and suppose this is the left kidney. So kidney has divided into two parts as outer cortex and inner medulla part. Here the cortex part, generally presence of the nephron which PCT part generally present in the cortex part, and Henle loop reaches in the medulla part. Then the DCT part present which opens in the as the tubular structure, as this structure is called as nephron, which is noticed as unit of kidney. Nephron is unit of kidney which is present more than 1 million in one kidney. More than 1 million in one kidney nephrons are found. In the nephron, generally the Henle loop present in the medulla part, other part like DCT, PCT and Bowman capsule present in the cortex part, which has remarkable here, as this part which is pyramid shape known as pyramid. Between the branches are called as calyx. As between the calyx, this loop part is called as column of Bertini. This is called as column of Bertini due to the honor of discoverer. These are the pyramid which contain generally tubular structure in the pyramid, which is called as renal tubule. This renal tubule which open in the calyx part here, and from the calyx it opens in the broad part which is called as pelvis. Pelvis open into the ureter, and each kidney surrounded by a membrane which is generally adipose in nature. This membrane is called as capsule. So this is a single structure of kidney which is surrounded by the membrane called capsule, and kidney has the unit structure which is called as nephron. Nephron is unit of kidney. As it has mentioned that more than 10 lakhs or more than 1 billion kidney present, more than 10 lakhs nephron present in one kidney. This is the structure of right kidney. As right kidney has the convex part at the right side and concave part from where generally the ureter and entry of the renal artery and generally ureter and renal vein comes out, which takes the blood outside. As the renal vein which takes the blood outside and renal artery provide the blood to the kidney. Here, this groove structure, this part, groove structure is called as hilum, where generally the presence of the renal vein which comes out and ureter comes out, but the renal artery which enters in the kidney. So this is the complete structure of the right kidney, which generally has two parts. As the outer part, which is called as cortex part, and inner part is called as medulla part. Here, each kidney has the 120 to 170 gram weight. As the structure of kidney has discussed here, after telling you about the kidney position, weight, structure, then I will tell you about the structure of ureter. Ureter, which inner wall has such type of structure. It means ureter take part in the a type of constriction relaxation. So the liquid which reaches downward continue and collected in the bladder-like structure, which is called as urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder where urine collected, and the urinary bladder which has inner side the squamous epithelium, as outside to it presence of striated muscle, and out to it presence of outer peritoneum layer. As the structure which is present below the ureter, which is called as urinary bladder. This urinary bladder which collects the blood, as in 24 hours about 700 to 800 ml blood collected, about 700 to 800 urine collected in the urinary bladder, which opens into a tubular structure which is called as urethral tubule. In the male, it is about 20 centimeter in length. In the female, it is only 4 centimeter in length, which opens by the small size pore which is called as urethral cord. Urethral cord surrounded by the small size as sphincter muscle all around. This sphincter muscle jointly contract and close the urethral tubule. As this muscle is called as sphincter muscle, which has a type of constriction property. Then urethral cord closed due to the endoneuro or neuroendocrine system control. When the sphincter muscle relaxed, then urine comes out through the urethral cord, and this urine when comes out through the urethral cord, this is called as micturition process. In this way, the human excretory system has discussed, which has four parts: one pair kidney, one pair ureter, which is long, tubular, and has the inner wall some ridge and groove-like structure. So, a type of peristaltic movement occurs in the ureter. Ureter shows the peristaltic movement. So, such movement passes the urine from the collecting duct into the urinary bladder. So, urinary bladders where urine collected, and this amount is about 700 to 800 ml urine in 24 hours. It is in 24 hours. These urinary bladders which connect with the urethral tubules, which is long structures inside the penis part. In the male, which length is 20 cm totally, which opens by urethral pores outside, and this urethral pores surrounded by the sphincter muscle. When urine comes out as neuroendo control, then sphincter muscle relaxed and urine comes out. This process is called a micturition phenomena. So these are the discussion about the human excretory systems. Atoms, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Super Classes. Thanks.